Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make cranberry sauce. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a 12-ounce bag of cranberries, fresh or frozen, about 4 cups, a cup of sugar, a half cup of pecans, a half cup of water, a half cup of orange juice, and a teaspoon of allspice. We'll start by rinsing our cranberries in the sink. Then, we'll set our stovetop to medium-high and add our water and orange juice to a medium saucepan. We'll stir in our sugar until it dissolves and bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. I'm using pecan halves, so while I'm waiting on my syrup to come to a boil, I'll put them into a plastic bag and crush them with a rolling pin. If you're using crushed or chopped pecans, you can skip this step. Once our syrup begins to boil, we'll stir in our 12 ounces of cranberries and then allow the mixture to return to a boil before reducing heat to medium-low and allowing our cranberries to simmer until most of them have popped, about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent our sauce from boiling over. After 10 minutes, we'll stir in our half cup of pecans and teaspoon of allspice. Then we'll remove our cranberry sauce from the heat and transfer it to a bowl and allow it to chill in the refrigerator overnight to set. We'll serve this with pork or turkey. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.